up, guys? From what you just seen, focus. From what you just seen, I'm gonna be cleaning the Alcantara of the steering wheel on the side bar because it gets really dirty after a while of driving it, and it gets stained from your sweat, you know, your dirty hands. And since I work as a mechanic at Belize, you know, getting out of work, your hands are still sweaty. But even though I started using, you know, every time I get out of work, I just put on some gloves, and you know, that way I prevent like. So I'll be using this. I actually did research on it. People say it's pretty good. I've seen somebody use it on a Alcantara steering wheel on a Porsche GT3, and I'm guessing it works. So I bought it on Amazon. I'll leave the description down below. But the one I bought came with with two, but they give you, they give you like a, I don't know, fabric towel to dry it. But since on my steering wheel there are some rough spots that are already that they're like flat, so I'm gonna be using this, you know, old toothbrush to like get the fur up, you know. Here, I'm gonna show you guys. So as you can see it right here and right there, you see it's getting flat, and then this is getting to right there. Compared to down here, it's all furry. Cause I barely touched this. I barely touched the red, cause I know if I touch the red, it's gonna get like this. It start to get like black stain, and you don't want that, you know. So to keep these cars, you know, looking good from the inside out. Oh, crap. There we go. Keep these cars looking good, especially this one, because I want this one to last me for a long time. So yeah, so we're gonna try this. What I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna put it on this fabric. Like, all you need is a little bit. You don't need to use a lot. So just like that, and then pass it around the steering wheel. Here, I'm gonna try to show you guys while I'm doing it. You see it? Pass it around the steering wheel. If you want, you do this. I'll pump it around. Where it's really dirty, even though you should do it to the whole steering wheel. But like, I'm gonna actually do it where I actually touch it more. What you don't want to do is soak it, because Alcantara doesn't like to be soaked. Because once you soak it, it's like, to unsoak it is really difficult. So you wanna pass it around. Right there. You start seeing it, just cleaning it. As you can see the difference. See, I haven't touched this, I touched this. But that's where the brush comes in. and like, you know, use the brush to bring it back up. Like don't use a rough brush, because what it could do, it could damage your Alcantara, and you don't want that, you know. So just use a brush to bring the hairs up, you know. Wow. Actually took off the stain that was there, which is good, because that's what I needed. There's a big old stain here, like a line, you can see it, already gone. So this stuff works. I'll keep like the Alcantara clean. Sorry if I'm everywhere, I'm trying to see what I'm doing at the same time, so I'm recording. Like I said, rough spot, just use a brush to bring the hairs up from being so flat. You can see it coming up to where it's supposed to. This, I haven't touched it, so this is original like fur compared to like where it's worn out. Just try to match it up with that spot, since mainly when you're driving like this, so it mainly gets dirty there. So that's where you wanna clean it the most. I'm actually liking it. It looks good. You can see it's furred up again. You know, right there too. I gotta hit it with the brush over here to get that spot up, and then should be good. Other than that, the red stain that was here is gone. So this stuff works, you know. I'm not too surprised. It works. So if you guys want to try this, you guys should try it. So like I said, all you need is an old brush, like a toothbrush, which is not like hard, not soft, just firm to get into those spots. You can see it furring it back up. So, and this is not just for the steering wheel. This is for anything, like anything that has to do with Alcantara. You can clean it up and then, you know, save it. It'll last you longer. But yeah, this stuff works, guys. I actually like it. It's like, since it's foamy, it's not a spray. It's actually good when it's foamy. Like, you know, foam. You know, just pass it around. It gives enough for the whole. Like, I think like 2 pumps, like 2 huge pumps is good for a whole steering wheel, you know, to like clean it. Which I like it. I really like it. Cleans a lot of the gooey stuff and dirty that this thing has, you know. But I think it was like, I don't know how much it was. I have to look up and see how much it was. But it wasn't so expensive. Like for 2, I think it was a good deal for two bottles, which this will last you like probably like 2-3 years, you know, because you don't need much. All you need is a little bit. And this car has a lot of Alcantara. Since this is the 2021, the last year. Because 2020 and 2021, they came out with the Alcantara stuff. Like the steering wheel, the shift knob. The shift boot. My bad, guys. The shift boot. Those are all Alcantara. But, you know, Alcantara gets dirty. Not like leather. You just pass it and that's it. You know, you want to keep that stuff clean. If you want to, you know, maintain it. Because I already seen at work on the actual Type R how it gets. Like, it gets pretty ugly and sticky, which is gross. It's gross. It's like you're touching like gooey stuff, and it's like, it's gross. Trust. So yeah, nah. It's actually simple stuff, you know. I'm gonna show you guys once I'm done, and yeah, you guys will see. So you guys can see that's how you work. Look at how furry it already looks. But this stuff, you gotta let it dry. So do it while the car is sitting. That way it stays clean, because it's gonna be a little wet. So you gotta let it dry. Like, you know, gotta let that dry. I was cleaning here on the seat. Right here. Which is from going in and out. You can see it. So this stuff will work, you know. I like it. It cleans up pretty well. And then the way it did the steering wheel, I loved it. Because I hate having my steering wheel like that. I hate having it dirty. So I decided to buy it, clean it, you know, and do a video for you guys. Even though it's gonna be short, nothing long. And probably I'm everywhere, since I'm trying to clean and hold the camera at the same time. It's not easy. So be patient with me in the video. And then, yeah. But I'm gonna leave the link down below so you guys can buy some, and I'll put both links, one for the single bottle, and the other one for the 2 bottles like I bought with the rag. And trust me, guys, it works. I looked up, did my research. Once I saw that the guy did it on the GT3 Porsche, I was like, yeah, this is the one I need. And yeah, so, and remember, guys, RSX build series is coming up, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, just remember to subscribe, like, and comment, and remember to turn on the notification bell on top. That way you guys can keep on with the videos. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.